Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Candace and today we're in my kitchen. The reason we're in my kitchen is because today at the grocery store they had these available oven-ready meals by Home Chef. And Home Chef is usually a subscription service where they mail the meals to you each and every week. But I didn't want to try the subscription until I actually tried the product. So I think this is an awesome way to find out if I actually like this meal plan program. All right, let's get all these ingredients situated and we're gonna make a delicious meal. Or at least I hope so. Let's break into this. I already have the oven preheated to 400 degrees, so whenever this is ready to go, we can throw it right in the oven. We have 2 pieces of fresh chicken, some cheese, we have red enchilada sauce, fajita seasoning, rice, crispy jalapenos, and 2 packets of sour cream. The first step is to take the rice and place it on one side of the tray. Just open this up and place the rice on one side of the tray. The second step is to place the chicken on the other side of the tray. I can't get it. Now that I got the chicken out of that package, let's get it out of the second package. I can't break into these. All right, be sure to have scissors close by when you're making this. All right, one chicken is in. Second piece is in. Okay. Oh, now I touched it. I'll be right back. I gotta wash my hands. All right, so we have the chicken and the rice in our tray. We're gonna sprinkle the chicken with the fajita seasoning packet. Okay, get that all over. Okay, and then we're gonna top that with our red enchilada sauce. Just drizzle it over, I guess. Try to do it evenly first and then we can put the rest on. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just evenly spread this enchilada sauce all over my chicken. Doesn't say to do that, but I want it even. Next up is to sprinkle our cheese on top of this chicken and enchilada sauce. Get it nice and even. Okay. So now we bake this uncovered in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees. Can't wait to show you what it looks like when it's ready to eat. All right, everyone, it's been 25 minutes. Let's get this chicken out of the oven. Okay, this looks good. I want to show you guys what this looks like. Looks good. Let's plate it and try it. All right, everybody, here is our meal all plated up. I can't wait to dig into this. It looks amazing, especially for only putting, what, 2 minutes into putting it together and 25 minutes in the oven. Let's give this a try. Okay, it was really easy to cut through. Let's see. The chicken is super moist and delicious. The seasoning is really good on that. The rice is really good. Oh my goodness. Okay. For this being like a 2-minute throw together meal, this is seriously the ticket if you are in a rush or in a hurry and you need to make a meal for your family. Wow, this is really good. The rice is good and the chicken is delicious. Oh my goodness. I would definitely make this again. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until we meet again, ciao Bella!